This guide will help you address controller drift issues in League of Legends, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings in League of Legends are correctly configured. Go to the settings menu and verify that the input settings match your controller type. Step 2. Clean your controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use compressed air to clean around the analog sticks and buttons. Wipe down the controller with a microfiber cloth to remove any grime. Step 3. Calibrate your controller. Most operating systems have a calibration tool for controllers. Access the calibration settings and follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller, which can help eliminate drift. Step 4. Update controller drivers. Make sure your controller drivers are up to date. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest drivers and install them to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the drift is specific to League of Legends or your controller, test it with another game. If the drift persists, the issue may be with the controller itself rather than the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift issues effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.